Let's see how to delete or deactivate your Instagram account. You just need to open the app, come here to your profile, and here on the top, you just tap here on this menu. And from here, you're gonna see the account center. Just tap on it. In here, you see the option for manage accounts. Sometimes it's just different here. It's just like accounts or something like this, or manage accounts like mine. And then you just select the account that you want. There's an option here for Instagram and another one for Facebook. So I'm gonna select here manage Instagram. And from here, I can select deactivation or deletion. I want to deactivate my account, for example, so I just tap here. And now I can select if I want to deactivate the account, which is temporary. I can recover later, or I can permanently delete the account. Let's just select deactivate the account, hit continue. And now you just need to take a look here at the information. Just make sure that you agree with this because it's going to delete everything. You're gonna lose your followers or your histories and everything else, right? Just select here continue. And now just enter your password and hit continue to confirm the activation or deletion of your Instagram account. Very simple, okay? I hope that helps. Basically, that's the way you can deactivate or delete your Facebook account here on your iPhone. Leave your comments here, subscribe to this channel, give me a thumbs up, and I see you in the next one.